Good morning, Word Study friends. Welcome to This Week in Word Study. This week we are going to be testing on letter feature O, test number 33. Please listen carefully as I say the word. You may stop this video at any time if you need to go back and check your words. We'll have 10 word study words with 2 curveball words at the end. Let's get started. Number 1, farmer. The farmer planted his crop in early May. Number 1 is farmer. Number 2, burglar. The police caught the burglar that stole the jewelry. Number 2, burglar. Number 3, governor. In November, we had an election to elect the new governor. Word study word 3 is governor. Number 4, plumber. We need to call a plumber to fix the leak in the shower. Number 4 is plumber. Number 5, younger. When I was younger, I used to love to go outside and play. Number 5, younger. Number 6, settler. If you are a settler in the new world, you had a very big task ahead of you. Number 6, settler. Number 7, smarter. I like watching the show, Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader? Number 7, smarter. Number 8, solar. My neighbor put some solar panels on their house to cut down on their electricity bill. Number 8, solar. Number 9, actor. When he grows up, he would like to become an actor. And our final word study word, number 10, visitor. Please check in at the visitor center before you take your tour of the museum. Word study word 10 is visitor. I'm going to go back through words 1 through 10 before we work on our curveball words. So, number 1, farmer. Number 2, burglar. Number 3, governor. Number 4, plumber. Number 5, younger. Number 6, settler. Number 7, smarter. Number 8, solar. Number 9, actor. And number 10, visitor. Our first curveball word for this week, older. Does your older brother go to the high school here at O&J? Number 11, older. And number 12, our last curveball word for this week, baker. I am the baker in my family. Number 12, baker. Thanks for your hard work this week in word study. I'll see you next week.